Welcome to this Japanese massage-inspired relaxation session focused on calming pressure points often associated with migraine discomfort. This video offers a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere using slow rhythm, gentle flow, and mindful awareness inspired by traditional Japanese bodywork philosophy. The intention is relaxation and comfort, not medical treatment or cure. Migraines can feel overwhelming, especially when stress, screen time, or mental fatigue builds up. In this session, soft and intentional movements around the head, face, neck, and shoulders help encourage the body to relax naturally. As you watch and listen, allow your breathing to slow and your mind to feel quieter. Imagine pressure gently easing as tension fades away. There is nothing you need to do, simply rest and stay present in this calm moment. This video is ideal for evening relaxation, quiet breaks, meditation, or preparing for sleep. Let go of heaviness and enjoy gentle care inspired by Japanese massage traditions. May this session help you feel calmer, lighter, and deeply relaxed.